What is it? Hello guys, I am Miss Chocobel and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video is maglalaro po tayo ng Midnight Station. It's my first time playing this, so let's go! Maghahanap po na tayo mga truck. Yan. Excelente. Studiol. Let's go! Excited na ako. Wow! Ganda ng kotse natin ah! Pati yung gulong hindi nagkaandar. Why do I always get stuck with the night shifts? There's something too creepy about time. About them pala. Oh. Baka yung motor, baka yung sakyan yung creepy. Maybe they have something on the radio that will suit my mind about. Turns on radio. Emergency broadcast. Do not go out tonight. And apologize to not want anyone to go outside tonight to ensure public safety, and thank you for understanding. Oh. In-night shift tayo eh. Please lock all your windows, doors and windows. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to local authorities ASAP. Oh! ASAP natin to! Wow. Just my luck. I'm sure it's nothing to serious to. Di ko alam. Baka may baliw na tao dyan mamaya pagdating natin. Ay, dumating na pala tayo. Help. Uy, my gun. Free gun. Sana all. Self-defense. Yan. Dapat may pagka-self-defense tayo. Hoy, kuya. Let's go. Hey, it's your time to clock out, man. Oh, finally. Up. You hear the news? I feel bad about you. I'm sure it will be fine. Just another night shift. Oh, magiging fine. Whatever, dude. I'm out of here. This place gives me the creeps, dude. Also, just between us, dude, I got kind hungry and I might eat a lot of food off the shelves. Anyway, see ya later. Well, maybe if you're still alive. Bro, magiging alive ako, promise. Baka ikaw yung hindi ma-alive dyan, babarilin talaga kita dyan. Okay, lumayas ka na, boy. Ano nang gagawin natin ngayon? Go to the back and clock it. Pero bakit ganyan si kuya? Hindi niya sinasarati pinto. Saan yung clock? Ayun. Bakit sa labas yung clock? Ay, nasa bodega. Nakakatakot, imagine mayroong multo pala dyan. Well, I guess I should probably restock the shelf since he ate all the food. Ha? Grabe naman ka, ano yan? Putek, di nanira. Hindi lang tira sa mga customer. Mangtira ka naman, boy. Makita pa kita bukas. Sumbong kita talaga kay sir. Putek, nang uubos ng ano. Para lang sa mga customer yun eh. Kala mo customer, isa ka lang cashier. Let's go, restock tayo. Wait. Bakit pa isa-isa lang tayo, boy? Mayroon naman tayong dalawang kamay. Never mind, let's go na lang. The last one. Let's go! Pwede na tayo mag-relax. Let's go. Bakit may banana dyan? Let's go na lang. Mamaya na natin yun. Let's go! I'm a great cashier for today's. Yay! Ay! May bago aking customer. Kakatapos ko lang. Pero, swerte. Wow, si auntie. Pero baka mamaya bigla ka mang atake dyan. Wala na lang natin barilin. Oh my gosh, antay. Chill. Assist the customer. Okay. Finally. Ay, Karen! What took so long? Kakano ko lang naman. You haven't even been waiting very long, be. Whatever. Just ring me up already. Oo na. Ito na, oh. Your total is 505 and 57 cents. You're impatient already. I'll be calling corporate about this experience. Bruh! Sige! Yan lang gusto mo. Binaril na kita. Matay ka na sana dyan sa pagdadrive mo. So, glad she finally left. Kaya nga. Pero yung pintuan, di niya sinarado. Pwede ba isarado yung mga customer kayo? Hay nako. Pag may pumasok talagang loko-loko mga baliw dyan, mga nakakatakot. Ay, sige, let's go. Iyan natin siya. Yay! Pinano ko siya, pina-open ng door. Wow, gwapo ah! Gwapo American eh. Hello! Sige, kuha ka lang dyan, sir. Ako na bahala sa'yo, sir. Employee of the month, Roblox. What? Okay. Assist a customer. Hey. Oh, hi. What do you want? Can you ring me up, please? Oh, sige. I mean, sure, I guess. That will be 7.99 cents. Here you go. Oh, thank you. Finally, a normal customer for all. Pero sir, pwede naman po ba isarado nyo naman po yung pintuan? Maawa na kayo. Baka may pumasok talaga dito, sir. Lamborghini ba yun ni sir? Or baka red car lang talaga yun? Oh my God! Saan lumitaw yan? Saan lumitaw yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Bakit lumitaw ka? And those the guy in a red shirt creeping around out there work here? I'm not sure who you're talking about, ma'am. Sino nga yun? I speak in a different language. The guy in the red shirt that keeps walking around here. Don't be rude! Just forget about it. Don't want you to think too hard. No need to be rude, ma'am. I just know that I'm supposed to be the only one working here right now. Okay. I need $20 for gas. Here's 25. Keep the change. Looks like you need it more than me. Yeah, true. Pero pasarado naman ng pintuan, pwede ba? Ha? Let's go! Man, this customer today are very ruthless. Kaya nga, ay dami mga Hindi nila sinasarado yung pintuan! Sarado nyo naman pintuan, please. Grabe na yung katamaran ninyo. Pag sarado na nga lang ang pintuan, ninyo pa magawa-gawa. Uy! White car! Looks nicey! Open natin yung door. Open natin for sa kanya. Wait. Hello, matandang grandpa. Ano bibili ninyo? Okay. Si Detective. Hey, you, what are you doing here on a night like this? I work here, dude. Bakit kaya nandito yung officer na yan? Well, you know, there's a maniac on the loose, right? Yeah, I know. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi ng mga customer ko, sarado yung agad yung pintuan. Yeah, I hear the news. You've been warned. We believe that The maniac is targeting gas station employees. You might be next. Has been reported wearing a red t-shirt and being terribly ugly. LOL! Call the police if you see anything suspicious. Sige. Pero sir, pati rin ba ikaw nahawa sa katamaran ng ng mga customer ko? Pati ikaw hindi mo na inaano yung pintuan rin. Just my luck, the maniac of targeting gas station employees? Anong luck? Mukha bang luck yun? Bad luck na tawag dun eh. Bro. May CCTV dito pero hindi ko ma-on yung CCTV. What is it? Bro, umalis ka dyan kundi babarilin kita! Anong ginagawa mo ditong loko-loko ka? Ha? Taba-taba mo ah! You should get going, man! Umalis kang kalbo ka! Ay, may buhok ka pala. Kunti lang naman. Yung mata mo parang ewan. Hello? Get a move on, Paul. Umalis ka na! Aalis ka. Sige. I'm going to call the cops then. Umalis ka na, kalbo ka eh. Umalis ka ng taba ka. No need for that. At bakit naman? Loko-loko ka. I'll see you again. Soon. Very soon. Sige. Wow. Matabang naglalakad na parang pag-ewang-gewang. Ang pambira, loko-loko yun ah. Nanggugulat. Kakatalikod ko lang. Ay nako. That kind of stuff I deal during the night shift. Kaya nga. That's literally 7.50 an hour is not worth it. Dealing with creeps like him. True. Later in the night shift. Okay. Isga! Ano gagawin na natin ngayon? Grab map and map water. 13 left. Okay. I-speed muna natin to para madali naman eh. Let's go. And the last one, finally! Di na mag-map. Mag-stay muna dito sa cashier. Let's go. Maghanap ako ng aking customer. Ayun na. Saan siya mag-park? Akala ko doon sa kabila. Sige. Matabang white na naka-shirt, kuya. Koreano ba si kuya? Pero please naman, yung ano ninyo, yung door! Kanina pa kayo nakakailita na kayo Hindi nyo kinuklose yung door. Ano kayo? Bihira kayo. Hello, kuyang Koreano. Hey there. Just this drink, please. It will be $3.50. Okay. Let's go. Thank you, kuyang Koreano. Yay! Sana madami tayong mga customer dito. Customer na tamad, isarado yung pintuan talaga. Uy! Si kuya nakatrack. Okay. Wow, si kuya! Yay! Ay, kuya ba to? Ay, si matanda pala. Matandang lalaki. Sarado mo naman, oy. Grabe matandang lalaki yan. Yan na siya. Let's go! Assist na natin yan mamaya. Malaman mo. Wow, I'm surprised this place is even open right now. Ano yung binili mo? Pusang ano? Kain ng pusa ba yan? Parang ewan yung mga mata no? Having to hear there's a murder around here is coming to kill us all. Oh, I think I'll be fine. I know how to defend myself. Yeah. Good luck with that. Oh, thank you. Here's your money. I'm out of here. Oh, sige. Thank you, kuya. Kuya! Sarado mo yung pintuan! yung mga pintuan, kuya, sa susunod. I need to empty the cans. No! No, 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 no! Bakit tabo sa labas? Pag nandyan talaga yung loko-lokong mga lalaking ano dyan. Please naman, sana ligtas lang ako! Please, 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 please. Ang bihirang boss to eh, no? Pinapatapon ako ng basura. Kakatakot talaga sa labas dito, nakaka-creepy. Don't throw out the trash in the dumpster. Please, sana wala mag-jump scare dito talaga. Sana wala mag-jump scare. Sana wala mag-jump scare. Sana wala mag-jump scare. Sana wala mag-jump scare. Sana wala mag-jump scared. Sarado natin ito mga ito. Sana wala mag- I'm safe. I promise. Oh! Kuyang nakaride ang car. Another customer. Okay, customer. Hello, kuya. Gwapo rin ni kuya. Pero tamad rin, sarado yung pintuan. Please na, kuya. Kuha ka lang dyan. Sige, sige. Kuha ka lang dyan, kuya. Okay. How much will this drink cost? Oh. Let me see. 6.99 cents, sir. Haha, you're funny. Seriously to. How much? Bro! I'm serious! Ano nga yan kasi? Mga 6.99. This price are otragus. Hoy! Nang-scam ka ba? Loko-loko ka! Tek ka! Babarilin ko yung kotse mo eh! Kakainis ka ha! Ano nga pumasok dito? Birang kuya yon. Wala, siguro yun? Siguro yun, kaya ganun. Mga kuya talaga ngayon parang ewan mga mga kulo-kulo mga bagay-bagay mga dito. Bihira talaga. Sana walang manggugulat na naman dito sa window na to talaga. Kakatakot yung window na to eh. Akalain mo naman kanina, may nag-pop out kaninang loko-loko! Okay. Uy, kuya. Kuya Niga. Ang black naman ni kuya parang unggoy ah. Saan siya papunta? Sa restroom? Okay, kuya. Tumae ka lang dyan. Umihi ka lang dyan. Okay lang. Okay. Sana wala siyang diarrhea. Sana hindi siya kumain ng Taco Bells. Oh! Tambali si kuya. Umihi lang ba yan? Pero bakit ang bagal niya maglakad? Bira. Hello, sir. Okay, hey, I was gonna use your bathrooms, tapos, but the toilets are disgusting. Wala! Baka ikaw! Can't a man find a peaceful place to go? Number 2? Sorry, sir. I'll clean it right now. No! Ba't ka pumayag? Bakit ka pumayag? Hindi! Di ako papayag! Utek! Di ako papayag! Bye-bye! Okay lang kung mapayag daw dito. Paalam na. Bahala kayo dyan. Aalis na ako!